Hello guys, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle, and today I'm just going to give you a tour of the bedroom. We came to Disneyland and it's Anaheim where we stayed, and look at the bed. It is looking really cute. I absolutely love it how they have decorated it. It's so nicely decorated. Um, like the the combination of white and blue is just more than amazing. And I like how they have stripes on. Hope I'm not too slow talking because it's night when we get here, and it's kind of little. I have to be quiet, and I can show you. That's the curtains with, and here. It just looks so pretty the way they have it, and then they have this like mirror is right there and little table. Have a little closet there as well. I like how they have this little decor on this wall, and the front by blue headboard, and they have these two accent pillows which looks phenomenal, adding a touch of a color. And here are these little feather decor. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of that, but looks good. Yeah, table.
Mama?
Just beautiful how it is. Right now I'm just gonna only show the one room because it's night and you have to be very quiet. So, but I just wanted to show you that if you come to Disneyland, be in Anaheim, and they are amazing. They're like whole house is so beautiful. I love it. This is the master bedroom. They have it, and it's just more than pretty. Maybe they don't need closet to see. It's pretty spacious closet. Yeah, they have everything, but yeah. I am just like, I love those kind of beds. And the bathroom, they have it nice too. So let's show you the bathroom.
These drawers, guys, these are very nice. Because if you close them, they will close.
They're my kind of people.
See?
They have it like.
Guys,
Gosh,
these drawers
they have
will
all
close
the
slowly,
nice-
no matter what. See, they will.
I like
close
how
slowly.
they have on the bathroom.
This
Beautiful
is
tiles.
Look at the
So-
bottom.
You will feel really luxurious. Everything is beautiful because I wanted to stay somewhere like comfortable and nice and not too pricey either. So that is another room is this. My kids already made the mess, and here is the other room, the kids' room.
This room includes a bunk
And the
bed
kids are pretty
and
much
various items.
sleeping, going to sleep.
Comes with a nice closet with costumes. That's been done.
I think my mom and I am the only one who's not sleeping. Apparently everybody is. I would have shown you other room, but my mom is sleeping, so I'm gonna take you downstairs with me. Yes. Vegetable one.
Guys, follow me this way and I'll show you how everything is.
So here is the dining area. Okay, my daughter wants to show you.
I really like the cushions because I think they're very nice. They're reindeers and they have beads. The couches are so comfy. And
Chairs don't really look comfy, but okay, she says it's comfy.
this couch is super comfy. But I think everything's comfy right now because I just want something to sleep on. And this is the dining area. It has a very beautiful chandelier and some cushions on one that you really like.
You will see that IKEA is here. Everything is from IKEA. Everything is from IKEA. The chairs looks nice.
The lamp is very,
There's a kitchen and laundry and everything.
There's a coffee.
I love the color scheme they have.
Look at this. Come here. Look at this.
Uh-huh.
We have different spices. Oh, that is cool. Every single one is different. Italian.
Just wanted to show you the kitchen. That is the little kitchen.
Oh, we already have plates. We already have plates. Come here and I'll show you. We have.
I'm gonna show you guys the garage as well. So
Come into the garage. I'm gonna do it into the garage.
so we just
Up here we have.
Sarah just parked it. They have laundry and everything.
We have over here. We have.
Yeah.
Mama, wait.
Come on, honey.
The rug is monkey consistent.
Okay, come on.
Feels like a monkey.
So here again. Sorry, because of my daughter is like busy, but I just the whole purpose to show you that if you come to Disneyland, this is the more affordable place to stay. So subscribe to my channel and stay connected. I will show you and post more Disneyland fun videos. Bye.